Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marrol. If you're new here, hello, thank you for joining me today. If you're not new here, thank you for coming back. Today, I want to bronze it up a bit. I mean, mostly my eyes. I did put more self-toner on though. I can't stop, I need to get more. I've also had this self-toner I've been using for a very long time, and I actually don't want to tell you how long it's been because it's disgusting and it's probably expired, but I mean, it works and my skin hasn't fallen off yet, so it should be okay. I'm gonna start with my skin prep. Going in with my Kaja Catnap Under Eye Brightener. And I kind of like blending it in with my finger. I think it's a bit more, I don't know, just look better. Now I'm taking my Hourglass Vanish Concealer in Cedar. Now I'm going in with West Coast from Tower 28 Beauty, their bronzer, and I'm applying it with my beauty sponge. And you really want to go in with like the lightest hand possible. Like if you think it's too light, go even lighter, because it just gives like the most natural, beautiful bronze. Time for some foundation. I'm going to take my Tarte Foundcealer in 22S Light Sand. I'm just going to go in with the beauty sponge today because I want it to be a little bit lighter coverage. Foundation's on, looking good, nice and even. I'm gonna pop on my eyebrows and I'll be right back. Okay, my brows are on. I'm gonna finish up the complexion here. Just going into my Tower 28 bronzer again with my little sponge. And on the nose a bit. Just making it look like we're getting a real tan. If you watch Rob E.D. Christie, which I highly recommend, she's fucking hilarious and like amazing. She always brings her bronzer up onto her nose and I just think it looks freaking adorable. Okay, I'm just taking the pointy side of the sponge and I'm gonna take my e.l.f. Peach Perfection blush today. It's been a little minute since I've used this one. I'm taking my Real Techniques contour brush and I'm going to take my BECC hello, BECC Champagne Pop. She's basically empty, but we shall use her until it is done. Okay, there we go. The face is bonito. Now we can move on to the eyes. Ooh. Today we're going to be using our trusty Soft Glam palette. Anastasia Soft Glam. She's stunning. I'm going to go in with, I have like concealer and stuff already on my eyelids, so I'm not going to add anything else. Going in with Tempura, just this skin tone-ish shade. Yeah, there's a mirror in here. How nice. This is a good one. I'm going in with this NYX number 16 brush, and I'm going to take burnt orange. This one right here. Alright, now I'm taking this little Urban Studio brush and I'm going in with Rustic right here and deepening up the outer area here. I'm going to take this little, it's like a flat, or it's like an angled brush, angled blending brush. It's Japanesque, and I'm going to go in with Cypress Umber here. So I just went back in with burnt orange to kind of lighten up the lid a bit. And I was going in with Cypress Umber, but I think I'm just going to pop on some shimmer and then use Cypress Umber as a liner situation. So I just went ahead and did the shimmery shades, and I took this one right here, which is called Bronze, right there. And then I also went ahead and did Cypress Umber as some, just like a little liner. Not like crazy liner, but just to deepen it up a little bit. I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom waterline. It's pretty late in the day, so my neighbors, my upstairs neighbors, you can like hear everything they're doing right now. So I might just like do little headers in the description here instead of talking right now, because I would like to mute the sound, right? But I'm gonna go ahead and do my bottom waterline. Waterline is done. I'm gonna pop on my lashes and mascara. I will be right back. Eyelashes are on. I'm going to set my under eyes really quick with my Hourglass Vanish powder. Why do I always say that? It's a veil. Hourglass veil powder. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier, but it is what it is. I also applied some chapstick, just my Bite Beauty Agave Nighttime Lip Sleeping Mask. And now it's just time for some lips. Okay, for lips, I'm gonna take this YSL number 70. Honestly, this is so old. I got it in like a gift box with a bunch of little mini nudes. It's broken also. Look, it's like fucking falling out. So annoying. I hate it when they do that. This smells delicious. Very, very nice. So pretty. And I'm just gonna take this NYX number 10 nude liner. Very nice. I am going to set my face with some setting spray. My e.l.f. Dewy Setting Mist. Cold. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's the look of the day. I showered earlier, so my hair's all wet. Oh, that's really cute. Alright, you guys, this is today's final look. Just like a fun bronzy, smoky situation going on. I like it. It looks pretty. That's pretty much it for me today, you guys. I just kind of wanted to do this little bronzy brown look for you today. I was thinking of doing like how-tos maybe on Friday. Like we focus on one little area. So next Friday I think I will be posting like a how-to blending. I've had a few people, I posted a thing on Instagram and a few people were like, I need help with blending. So I was like, okay, let me help you. So that's what I'm gonna do on Fridays, I think. I'll do like a little how-to and then subject here. You know what I mean? Other than that, that's all I got for you today. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I will have all of the products I used today listed in the description box down below, along with my Instagram handle. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have a great weekend, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye!